Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we can use inbuilt directives of GraphQL. There are two inbuilt directives, iterate include and iterate skip. Let's say if we need to query product. So like if you want to query products, what we can do is like we can query some properties like name, price. Next, what we can do is like status. So for example, like this status is something I don't want to have or I don't want to show to all the users or something like that. So based on like a logic what we are writing it on our client side, we just want to hide this property dynamically. What we can do in that case is we can use @rate include and we can using this variable what we can do is like we can pass true and false here, and if that is this will be true, it will actually show this property, otherwise it will hide this one. Let's see how it works. What I'm going to do is like I will rename this variable with something that is called include status. I'll just have to pass it here as well, and also I will update in variables object. Now what I'm going to do here is like I will keep true. If I run, I'll get name, price, and status. Since the include status is true, if I make it false, then the status will disappear from here, from the output that we are getting for products. We don't see status field here. So let's talk about the another one that is called skip. So skip is just something like opposite of include. If this value will be true, then it will skip this field. If this value is false, then it will keep this property. Let's try it now. As we see, like the include status is false here, so this will not skip status. If we change this value to true, it will actually skip the status property from the output. All right, that's it about like @rate include and @rate skip. Hope it was clear. In upcoming video, we'll see like how we can create our custom directives and custom scalar types as well. Till then, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.